OtterBox Defender Series case for iPhone 8 Plus and iPhone 7 Plus. Only. Retail packaging. Big Sur. Pale beige Corsair. 3 layers of protection ensures maximum protection against hard drops. Included screen protector blocks the screen from scratches and against dust with robust port covers. Holster keeps your phone accessible and doubles as a kickstand for hand-free media viewing. Designed to keep your phone protected while hard at work or play. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.